Programat Video Tutorial, Chapter 3, Initial Startup and Operation. This part will show you how to start up and operate your Programat. You will also see how to select, start and edit firing programs. The on-off switch is at the rear of your Programat furnace. To switch the furnace on, turn the switch to the on position. When you start up the furnace for the first time, you will need to define a number of basic settings such as your preferred language, the temperature format, and the current date. Simply follow the instructions on the display. The furnace will conduct a series of self-tests. This process may take a few minutes. After the basic settings have been successfully entered, the home screen will be displayed. All the functions of the Programat are managed from this screen. The furnace is now in standby mode. Let's take a brief look at the operating elements of the furnace. The furnace is mainly operated via the touchscreen. The most important functions are activated using the membrane-sealed keypad. The Open Furnace Head key opens the furnace head. Please note, the furnace head cannot be opened while a program is running. The Close Furnace Head closes the furnace head again. By pressing the Start key, you can start a selected program. The Start LED lights up when a program has been started. With the Stop key, you can pause or abort a program. Pressing the key once pauses the program. In this case, the LED flashes. Pressing the key twice aborts the program. By pressing the P key, you can change directly to the program last selected. Furnaces that are equipped with the Programat infrared technology have an additional IRT key. This key allows you to turn the infrared image on or off during the pre-drying and closing process. By pressing the power saving key, you will activate the power saving mode. If you want to quit this mode, simply press any key or touch the touchscreen. By pressing the Home key, you will return from any screen directly to the home screen. However, this works only if no program is running. Now, let's have a closer look at the touchscreen. The display of the furnace is divided into three parts: the information bar, the main screen, and the navigation bar. The information bar provides the most important information about the current furnace temperature and the selected program. On the main screen, the individual firing programs can be selected, edited, and settings can be changed. During a firing process, the firing curve is displayed. The navigation bar allows you to move through and quit the different menus. Now, we will focus again on the home screen. The home screen is one of the main operating elements of the Programat. You can select all the functions of the furnace from this screen. Simply use the arrow keys to toggle between the individual pages of the home screen. Now, let's look at the first page. On this page, you can select any of the firing programs. Generally, the furnace offers three different program areas. Ivoclar programs are the programs that are installed on the Furnace X factory. They contain the ideal processing parameters for Ivoclar materials. Individual programs are programs that can be individually programmed and adjusted. If a USB flash drive is connected to the furnace, additional programs are available in this area. Each program area consists of different program groups. In Ivoclar programs, the groups are divided according to their materials. In the individual programs, you can name the groups yourself. Each program group consists of 20 firing programs. Use the arrow buttons to easily move through the program groups and programs. You can select the firing program in 3 steps. First, select the program area. Then, select the program group, and finally, select the desired firing program. You can now start or edit a firing program. If you want to start a program, open the furnace head now. place the objects into the furnace. The furnace automatically monitors the temperature of the firing chamber. Please note that you should only start a program when the OSD display lights up green. Press the Start key to start the firing process. The display shows the current status of the active firing process. The furnace head opens automatically at the end of the firing program. Remove the object at the earliest when the acoustic signal sounds or when you are prompted to do so on the display. If you want to edit a program, press the parameter to be changed on the program standby screen. Then enter the new value. Confirm your entry with the green button. You have now successfully changed the firing temperature. In the Ivoclar programs, the symbol next to the parameter informs you that you have changed a processing parameter preset by Ivoclar. Advanced program parameters, such as the standby temperature or the program write protection, can be entered in the Options menu. This shows, for example, how to activate the write protection. By pressing the back button, you will leave the Options menu. The write protection symbol is now displayed next to the Options button. Now let's take a look at the additional functions of the furnace. Press the Home key and return to the home screen. Depending on the furnace model, additional functions are available on the pages following the home screen. These functions include multimedia features, which will allow you to play videos and music files and view photos. With general settings options such as language, melodies, and display brightness, you can optimally adapt the furnace to your needs and preferences. For more detailed information, please refer to the operating instructions. The menus relating to temperature calibration, data backup, software update, and device diagnosis are explained in the next chapter.